Charges dropped against a homeless pregnant woman who was given a citation by Metro Police.
Court date on November the 8th at 9 a.m. at the courthouse at 600 West Jefferson.
That was Louisville Lieutenant Caleb Stewart handing out a ticket to a woman in labor for unlawful camping. This happened last September. Today, the county attorney's office asked the judge to drop those charges. The judge dropping the charges after the county attorney argued that most of the outcome for the case would be the best outcome would be to drop it. But in the process, created an initiative in the courtroom to help people in a similar situation. WHS 1119's Clarice Shaley and photojournalist Emma Gefter learned about this new initiative that worked to make a difference today in this very case. Clarice?
Yeah, Doug, it's called the unlawful camping docket, which sees all of the cases in one day. Unhoused advocates I spoke with say this is a way to keep people out of the criminal cycle.
You said you're in labor.
Despite cries for help.
Leaking, I'm leaking water, all of my embryonic fluid.
In labor, Metro Police gave this pregnant woman a ticket for unlawful camping, but also called for EMS to get her to the hospital. The citation made national news. Now, months later, those charges are dropped.
In the totality of the circumstances and all of the evidence, we decided it was the just outcome for that case to be dismissed.
The Jefferson County attorney asking a judge to throw out the case. Done during the first of what's called the unlawful camping docket, coordinating those charged all to be seen on the same day with supportive services coming together.
Our job as prosecutors is to do justice, and that means that if we can help get these folks connected rather than being convicted, then that's just.
It felt like a step in the right direction.
St. John Center outreach coordinators were in the courtroom when the charges were dropped and this new initiative was created. They're working to get help for homeless people getting citations.
There was some diversion, right? They left again with more resources and hopefully we'll be moving closer to plan to housing.
Executive Director Rayshawn Martin applauds the change.
It's really a happy medium, right? The best that we can do right now as the laws have been passed, and it is just our responsibility and our goal to, again, reduce the harm and support the people who may be impacted by those policies.
Those who help the homeless in Louisville are holding out hope more change might come in the form of the pregnant woman's case.
Best precedence is that we don't have to do this unnecessarily, and that our citations, our jails, and prisons are only for those who we just can't help, who show a real danger to themselves and to the people.
According to an LMPD spokesperson, about 69 citations for unlawful camping have been issued since the law was enacted. LMPD has no plans of changing the enforcement of the law. In the studio, Clarice Shaley, WHAS 1119 on your side. Doug?